these days it is getting harder to share your Instagram reel to your story. And so let's go straight to the solution without too much blabbering around. So what you need to do, opening your Instagram account, Instagram app on your mobile phone, go to your video reel. Here is my test reel. And previously it was rather easy to share. Now you kind of need to find what is happening there. So click on those three dots and you can see nowhere around here you cannot find share to the story. What you need to do is click here where it says we are moving things around. Then at the bottom part you can see you can add to your story or do other things. Just click add to your story and your reel will be added to the story, as you can see here. So that's about it. It's kind of different, but again, still easy. Okay. And then you can add to your highlight or share to your Facebook story, but we'll do that in some other video. That's about it. If you go here, now you can see that this reel is shared as a story. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.